Guys, I got this. I got this one has holes. There's two holes right there and over there. This one has two holes. So I got the hammer, tiny hammer. So I just keep this for now in here. This sticks. I don't know yet. We're gonna throw this one. I know there's a thing in it. So it's kind of cool when you just learn how to just hammer it, so you can put your feet in it. Nice kidding. I want to make a birdhouse, so I don't know if it's turned out to be birdhouse. Okay, yeah. We'll see what I'm gonna do. Okay, see you later.